In this video, I show you how to fix cannot open GCash after a new update or GCash not opening problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to search settings. Now search for developer option. Tap on developer option. Make sure that it disable. Use developer option disable. Now go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search GCash. Tap on GCash. Tap on storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset apps. Now open GCash. I hope that GCash open. If this method not working, now go to Play Store. Search GCash. Tap on GCash. Now tap on uninstall. Now install again. Now you can see that open option. Now tap on open. Now I hope that you fix GCash cannot open problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.